making my snack. And all you need is any kind of cheeses you like. I have the original and the other fruit snacks. I have 4. You could just grab a handful. I grabbed a handful and that was 4. Okay. And it could be like regular one, or you could have one like me. If you don't know which one, how to just get it. Okay, so I have this one. My mom's name on it. Okay, I need to get rid of it because it looks a bit dusty. It's not dusty. Yeah. Okay. I got my water. Are you expecting that? I just came out super fast. Hi. Okay, let me just dry it. Okay. I'm gonna have to do it the old-fashioned way. Okay. Want me to make your snack tomorrow?
Yeah, now cheese and fruit.
So you want the same snack as me? You want the same snack as me?
Yeah. Wait, what? I'm gonna put cheese and fruit.
And cheeses and fruit snacks.
Now I want a cutie and a banana. Well, a cutie and a banana and cheese.
Okay. So you want me to make like you a little lunch?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if I'm gonna do that, you have to help me.
Okay.
Open this up high. Open this up.
Okay. Hold on. Let me go finish my snack. There's not too much in this one.
Okay. So first, all you gotta do is put. If you have 4 of me, like me, first what you're gonna do is put 2 bags.
I'm gonna leave my cookie up.
First. Okay. Another one. Then, once you have the 2, and make sure you don't like put the bag in because I'm gonna, yeah, it's just another thing you like. Ugh.
Cutie and an apple.
Okay, you don't have to shout. Okay. Then once you got that, you're gonna have this. Like swish it around a little bit. Okay, can you open this high? I thought you said banana.
No, I said apple and candy.
I can't do an apple, but I could do banana. Okay, now my sister's helping me with this next part. Okay, can you actually just put it up here, like the eye? Okay, my sister's helping me with this next part because I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. Tell me when to stop. Am I dropping some?
Yeah, because I'm gonna put it in.
Okay, thank you.
You hate it.
You can eat that one. You can eat those. Put that go now. Okay. You can go finish your watching your iPad. Eat those. You can finish watching your iPad. Well, I finish my snack and then I'll call you over. And is it fine if I do give you a banana? Want it to be a surprise?
Huh?
Want it to be a surprise?
Yeah. If we have food coloring for and if we want to rainbow food coloring, that's what we could make rainbow noodles, rainbow sandwich, rainbow hot pocket.
Okay, so I just got my snack ready. Oop, I dropped it. Oh yeah, and after you put the cheeses or whatever you want, then you put, oh my god, all of them went to the bottom. What? No. Then you put in the rest of your. Okay. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna rewrite my name because it's like fading away. I have to use those for so long. My name is fading away. that my name's on it. I'm not the best dresser in the world. There. Okay. Okay, so I learned that there was someone else called Naomi not in my classroom, but in the school. So if I accidentally label someone, it says Naomi M, stands for Naomi Morales. Like you said, it's on my music channel. And by the way, subscribe. Okay, now let's do my sister's lunch. Are you gonna bring a banana to eat or for now?
To eat for now.
Okay. Kylie, do you want this purple one or do you want your lunchbox? Because this one's mine. Do you want yours or mine?
Mine.
And once I put something in there, no switching. Do you want a sandwich?
Yes.
So like an extra lunch?
Yeah.
Okay. Go to Mama if I can make you one though. Let's make my sister a lunch to go to. Let's make my sister a lunch to go to school. She has this much room. So I know she wants some frill. Like a cutie. This is gonna be a juicy one. This is gonna be a juicy one. I already know it. And she wants
Are you trying for me to help?
remember you wanted to be a surprise?
Oh.
And I know she wants a banana. Beep, 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 beep. Hello, who is this? Door. Okay. Beep, beep. And why do you have the apple? Let me put this one there too then. I'm gonna start your lunch. Wait, so Mama said yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. I grabbed it and then it just peeled. And knocked it on something.
Little pickles.
I'm not using the cutting board at all. So I need a napkin to cut it on. And then I got my banana. Peel the banana. Why did I do that? Okay. I'm just look at the trash cans right next to me. Oh my god, keep on coming one by one. And the strippy thingies.
If there's enough apples.
Maybe a couple more.
Okay. And then you told me then stop.
Okay, I think that should be enough.
10 more.
Yeah. Can you even count to 10?
1.
Okay, I don't need to hear it. Oh, okay, you don't have to count out loud, but I always just wanted to know, okay? Can you count in your head?
Yeah.
Okay, do it. Count out your head. Okay. We're making her some banana slices. Boop, boop, boop. Ah! Okay, I dropped a banana. I'm not the best at this. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, there's a lot of bananas. Boop, boop,
Not bananas.
boop. Nope. Yeah, right there. Okay, there. Look. I got my hair. Okay. So, Kylie,
Yeah.
do you like any sauces with anything?
Sausage.
Yeah, like a sauce.
No.
No, you just eat everything plain. Okay. I never use that whole thingy anyways, but I think I'm gonna use it for something. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all the bananas, but bananas. My sister used to do my lunch every day, but I don't take her lunch that much anymore, so she doesn't really do it. Okay. Let's go get some fruit snacks. got some fruit snacks. Yeah.
She can eat my blanket, and that I put all the apples in there.
And that there's like this little hole there. Huh?
And I told Mama that I put all the apples there.
Uh-huh.
And they said, she can use my blanket.
Uh-huh.
And she said, she laughed.
Okay.
So then I laughed too.
Okay.
You could barely see my bow. Or you could see my bow. Where should I have that?
You want the banana? You could take the other one.
No.
Oh. Oh, no, that's good.
Are you good?
Yeah. What do you do? Do you, like, use your nails and try to use all the force, or do you just bite it? I bite it. And sometimes it's just, like,
I know
disgusting.
bottom was nothing.
What? Okay, let me draw that real quick.
Mommy,
Huh?
tomorrow if you're eating it always,
What?
don't bite it.
Why?
Because then you can hold your teeth like that.
You only bite it once, and then you start peeling.
I haven't eaten already.
Okay, I was trying to put them nicely, but Kylie, these ones are juicy.
Which one?
The cuties. Want to try one? It's juicy. You want Cheez-Its, right?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think you have any room. Is that fine? Or I think I should put like a little sippy bag inside.
No, we could put it here.
That's where your sandwich is going. Would you rather have a sandwich or Cheez-Its? Oh my God, girl. Look, girl, what you asking me? Make her a lunch. I'm making her a lunch. I'm gonna put a sandwich with a shape in. I gave her a snacks, and I asked her, would you rather have Cheez-Its or a sandwich? And she put Cheez-Its. Okay. You can't be here for Katie. You can't be here for the next part. Next part is definitely a secret. And so, shoo shoo. I'm sorry, but you have to. These are one of two nominees and one of mine's cool, so snip that. And I'm gonna fit as much as possible. So if you saw the little circle thing when I showed you the lunchbox, that's what I'm putting. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, guys. See you tomorrow, and I'll show you what she eats. Okay, so.
Go to your room. Go to your bed right now.
This is what we got. And I really. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go put this in the fridge and see you tomorrow.